You won't believe the insane superbike Sylvester Stallone would ride.
First, the Harley-Davidson V-Rod. Muscular, aggressive, pure action hero energy. Worth around $19,000.
Next, the Indian Scout Bobber. Low, mean, and iconic. Around $12,500. Third, the Ducati X Diavol S. Futuristic power with killer torque. Worth $25,000.
Then, the BMW S1000R, a beast of precision and speed, around $16,500.
And finally, the Triumph Rocket 3R. Monstrous, massive, and unstoppable. Worth $23,000.